In this video, we will study how to write equation in latex. To write equation in latex, again we will use the web app for latex projects, that is overleaf.com. And for writing equations, just like the figures and tables, we have used slash, just like for tables we have used slash begin table environment. For equations, we will use slash begin equation environment. So with this in this equation environment, we can write the latex equations. To write equations in latex, we have to understand the basic code, how to represent symbols, and how to use operators. So for that, we can use the web app, which is available freely for writing latex equation, that is latex equation generator. So with this latexcodecox.com, we can write any equation in latex. For example, I want to write mu1 equals to mu1 square plus mu2 square. So how can I proceed? First, I will look for the mu symbol in this lab. So this is the mu symbol I got. So slash mu is the latex code for writing mu, and we can see in this workspace that mu is getting printed. Mu equals to mu1 square plus mu2 square we want to write. So again write equals to slash mu, and we want to write mu1 square. So for the subscript, we will use underscore, and in the braces we will write 1. So that will write mu1, and for the square we will use the cap operator. In the braces we will use square. So that's how we can write mu1 square. Same way we can write mu2 square. So that's how we can write this mu equals to mu1 square plus mu2 square. Suppose I want to write mu equals to mu1 square plus mu2 square in the fraction 2 mu1 mu2. So for that, this will be the numerator part, and I want in the fraction I want 2 mu1 mu2. So for this we will use slash frac, or we can go with this symbol slash a by b. So this will this braces, like first braces you will write the numerator part, and the second brace you will write the denominator part. So numerator part is ready with us, the latex code of it. So we'll just cut and paste it in the numerator portion, and in the denominator portion we want to write 2 mu1 mu2. So we'll write 2 mu1 mu2. So we can observe in the output that is our formula is quite complete, and we can simply copy this code and we can paste it in our latest project of our that is available in overleaf.com, and we can compile this code, because this equation is working in that latest equation editor, so it will also work in our manuscript, and we can observe this equation in the PDF file. Also, if you are using begin equation and end equation, so automatically the latex will provide the equation number. You don't need to worry about it. Just like table and figures, we can also provide label to this equation with the use by the command slash label, and we're going to provide this as equation 1, and we can also refer this equation in the text part. Suppose here this is my introduction section of the paper. In figure the SVM function is shown, and I also want to refer my equation. So in equation slash ref equation 1. So we can see that here I am referring equation 1. So it will appear in the test like in equation 1, the formula of calculation of viscosity is shown. So let's compile our manuscript and say in figure 1 the SVM functioning is shown. In equation 1 the formula of calculation of viscosity is shown. So here we have to manually write this equation keyword in that text. If we don't want to write this word, what we can do, we can use slash eqref. So slash eqref provide us the reference for equations. We can observe its output. So that particular equation number is automatically coming in brackets. So in 1 the formula of calculation of viscosity is shown, or previously the number the equation number is not coming in the brackets, but eqref will make it work, will make it available in the brackets in the text PDF file, and we can use eqn for single equation as abbreviation, or equations eqns for multiple if you are referring multiple equations. So let's again go coming back to our latex equation editor. Suppose we want to write this equation 14 in our latex manuscript. So how we can proceed it in through latex equation generator? Let's see. This is x vector I t plus 1 x rand a dot t. So let's write this equation in the latex menu editor. First is x, first is the vector x, so slash vec capital X, that will provide the vector, and in that vector I t plus 1. So in the subscript there is I, then the bracket is t plus 1. In subscript I and in the bracket t plus 1 equals to x rand minus a dot d. Okay, so we will write these variables. Again they are writing x, so we'll utilize the previous version of x, and here they want a number, a complete string. So this x rand and x rand minus a, and this is a dot operator, then a and d are both are in both are vectors, so we'll use minus, then slash vector a, then they're using a dot operator. So for the dot operator we have to search the operator in the operator, and we can observe that this is one dot operator and this is one dot operator. This one is similar to the one we require, so we'll use this one, o dot, and this o dot with slash vec t. So in the output we can observe that the equation we require is coming in the workspace. So we can simply copy this equation, we can write it in our manuscript slash begin equation, and we can copy paste that code and we can compile this code. Let's see in the PDF that equation is coming or not. So see, we are getting our equation as equation 1 because we are writing this equation before the previous equation what we have written. So that's how we can include any equation in our manuscript. Thank you.